All right, we're here unboxing the March 2018 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. Let's see what great stuff we have in here this month. We have a little gift pack. Woo! Look at that. Holy moly. Got a postcard, sticker, SCR pencil. So you know where you got these great supplies? Remember that. Smile, Create, Repeat. Ooh, great. And you have the stylo sketch pen, which this is actually neat. We picked this one because the tip is really different, so you're gonna like that when you get it. It's just different. I haven't used anything like this before until I got this one, and it's slightly flexible, so you can bend it and push on it, and it gives you different varying widths, unlike a traditional dip pen nib. It's just neat, so I think you're gonna really like that one. Woo! It's a great sketchbook, drawing pad, excuse me. It's nicer paper than a sketchbook. It's heavier. It's a little cream color. So you can put white on it too if you have any. Sweet. Well, let's leave this great stuff out for later. And then we have our little gift pack here. You have your craft paper. And let's see what else. Woo! You have a red col-erase color pencil, erasable color pencil. Those I really like. If you've been with us, you've seen we've done a dark blue one before. I really like those for the initial sketches and just for drawing. It's just another different way of drawing with colors. It's neat. We have the Pentel Arts Hybrid Techna Pen. It is a very fine tip, which is really cool. And it flows really nice. We have the Jelly Roll white pen. There you go, to put on your sketch pad. It's almost like I knew that, huh? Like I planted the seed, like in sales. And then we have the Kimberly pencil, so you can also draw that one. And we have our creative card, which is a Smile, Create, Repeat exclusive, where we list all the supplies you got, tells you a little bit about them, tells you how you can share with us if you want to. We'd love to see what you make, of course. And then you have this great little demonstration video. It's not the video, this demonstration, step by step, on how I created this illustration. And just different tips and tricks and my thoughts for maybe shading down here. Right? If you watch the video, you can see that. And just little more and more different ideas on how you can use these to create your own art. And speaking of that art, we'd love to see what you make. So please share with us on social media so we can see what you've done. Thank you. Have a great month.